free driver education to help you ace your driving test. Trubicars.
Hello everyone, this is Mandeep. We are doing another video in Mississauga, Ontario. So if you're going for your G2 driving test or your G driving test in Mississauga, Ontario, this video is going to help you out. We will practice in a residential area, and we will also practice on some busy intersections, lane change, left turns, right turns. We might practice some highway driving as well. If not in this video, then I will do that in a separate video. So let's get started. Okay, so traffic lights are coming up, and we are going to turn left at traffic lights. So when you're about 30 meters from the intersection, that's when you put the signal on. So I'm going to signal left shoulder check, and we are staying in the left hand lane. If you look at the markings, from this lane you can go straight or you can turn left, and from the right hand lane you can turn right. So when you're waiting for the light to turn green, look at the intersection. So on this intersection, we will have a solid green light, and you also have to look at the traffic coming out from the parking lot. You can look at pedestrians on that side, and you can also try to see a speed limit sign, if you can see the speed limit sign as well. So you just want to be familiarize yourself with everything. I'm looking in my rear view mirror as well. So right now there is a big truck behind us, and the car in front of me, they do not have any signal on, so we are not sure if they're turning left or if they're going straight. So do not get distracted by your cell phone. Don't text message. Just make sure you're still focusing on the road. Be aware of everything what's going on around your vehicle. So light turns green. We're gonna quickly scan the intersection left to right, and now we are going to look for a yellow line. We see a yellow line, and we're gonna keep our car closer to the yellow line. And now we are going to switch lanes. Signal, mirror check, shoulder check, and change lane to the right hand side. Now there was a speed limit sign indicating 60 kilometers maximum. So let's practice left hand turn next. So we will change lane back to the left hand side. So mirror, signal, mirror check, shoulder check, changing lane, and now signal again, and shoulder check, and now we have to go into the turning lane. So if your signal, sometimes when you're adjusting your steering, your signal will cancel by itself. If it does cancel, you are required to put it back on. So just make sure your signal is on when you're completing your turn. So I'm going in the intersection. I'm leaning towards this left window so I can see the oncoming traffic. No pedestrians crossing here, so that means we are good to complete our turn. Signal, mirror check, shoulder check, change lane to the right hand side. The vehicle in front of me was slowing down, so I was slowing down as well to maintain distance from that vehicle. So that's how you should be driving in your driving test. So make sure you follow every single rule, right? So you're signaling, you're scanning intersections, you're maintaining distance from other vehicle. Drive like this. It doesn't matter where you take your driving test, you will pass your driving test. So just follow the rules of the road. Okay, so let's turn right on this traffic light. So I have my right signal on. Now the light turns amber and now red, so that means we have to come to a complete stop. Anytime when you step on the brake, you should be looking in your rear view mirror as well. Okay, so complete stop here. There's no prohibited sign on this intersection, and there's no pedestrian crossing. So that means we can actually turn right at a red light. So I'm going to do a right shoulder check. Looks clear, everything looks good, so we can complete our right hand turn.
Free driver education to help you ace your driving test. Trubicars.